These are the tacos I eat when I want to lose weight without feeling like I'm losing weight. 4 plants, 1 Bible verse. Stick with me. If you're new here, hi, I'm Cindy. I've lost over 100 pounds eating plants, and I teach women how to do it the way God laid out in Genesis 1:29. Every seed-bearing plant, every fruit on every tree. It's the original diet and it still works. And these tacos are the perfect example. So let's get into it.
The first plant we're adding are potatoes. I have microwaved a couple of gold potatoes and I'm just slicing them into bite-sized pieces. I'm leaving the peel on for nutrients and fiber. Our second plant is poblano peppers. I've air fried this in order to roast it. Now I'm just taking and slicing through. You can remove the seeds and the stem if you want to make it so that it's not as spicy. We're going to add those diced potatoes into a bowl and we're going to heavily season them. So I'm just using a Mexican spice seasoning that I will link in the comments below, and no need to write this recipe down. The whole entire recipe will be in the comments. We're going to salt and pepper, and I'm just mixing them with my clean hands. You can use tongs if you prefer. And for our next plant, we're using corn tortillas. You just want to microwave them for a second or, well, not really a second, 15 seconds or so, just to get them pliable, so that we can add our next plant. And we are adding refried beans. Now I'm using canned vegan refried beans. You can add kidney beans or pinto beans, whatever you prefer if you didn't want to do refried. We're just going to top it with some of those potatoes and a few slices of poblano. You could use bell pepper if you prefer, but poblanos are not that hot and they really add some intense, incredible flavor. Fold that over so that the beans touch and it will stay sealed. You're going to place that on a greased aluminum foil lined cookie sheet, and we're just going to bake those. Flip it over halfway through so that both sides get nice and crispy. Now this recipe will make about 8 tacos, and you can meal prep these and put them in the freezer. They are the perfect meal prep item. You're gonna love these.
Okay, so I've let this cool off a little bit. I would serve this with maybe pickled onions, a nice pico de gallo, tomato, onion, maybe some more poblano or jalapeno, depending on how hot and spicy you want it. Maybe a fruit salsa with a little bit of peach or mango in it. Definitely cilantro for me, maybe not for you, depending on if you like it or not. And always guacamole. But for right now, I'm just going to eat it as is. You can probably hear that crunch. Creamy potatoes that are seasoned with that delicious Mexican spice, that little poblano pepper, and then the creamy refried beans. It's delicious. Best of all, meal prep these. You can freeze them, pop them out when you need a quick weeknight meal. You got dinner and it's healthy. If you love this taco recipe and you want more meals like it, here's what to do next. Stab that free Genesis 1:29 starter guide. It's pinned in the description. 7 days of meals like this, grocery list, and the Bible verse to keep you motivated. It's completely free.